Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin, and today most of the video is going to be a voiceover with Wesley. We did a voiceover once before on the channel and you guys really enjoyed it, and I've had several requests to do another one, and Wesley and I are a little behind on our filming. We have not filmed something for when I hit 500 subscribers. When I first started my channel, Wesley said for every 50 subscribers that I got, he would do something with me for my channel. So we decided it's been at least a year, maybe two, I don't remember. I will leave link to the other video where he did a voiceover of me doing my makeup if you haven't seen that one, because, you know, it's pretty funny, especially Wes knows some stuff about makeup just from me doing it for a while now, but it's not the same as doing it on yourself every day, like, obviously. So I hope you enjoy, and I'm going to pass it over to Wesley. Before we get too far into the video with Wesley, I hope you consider subscribing. I upload videos twice a week. It's totally free to subscribe, and I would love to see you back on the channel again. Alright, here we go with Wesley.
Hello, I'm Caitlin Foreman. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be using some Hey Honey Good Morning Honey Silk Facial Serum. And we're going to rub this in, and we're going to get all the red blotchy spots, because that's what's going to make us look cute at the end. Now we're going to take, oh boy, I can't read that, Full Cover Foundation. I didn't catch the brand. And this is what's going to make your skin not look like skin, and you know, you look like a beauty queen. And we're going to rub it in, and then we're going to get this brush. We're going to make sure we do a circular motion here. And we're going to blend it into our skin to make it look like skin. And this is going to take care of all of our imperfections. Okay, so now I got the Incognito. I didn't catch what it is, but it looks like we're making more skin with it. We're doing some sort of tribal paint. We're gonna make our eyebrows look poked up. And we got the tribal paint with the, I don't even know what that was. We're brushing our eyes to make sure that we have our eyebrows are filled. I think that's what that is. I didn't catch the brand. And we got another brush. It's an L brush, so it's probably like not like it's a large brush. I guess that's what L means. That's what it means on my shirt. It means large. And we're going to brush our tribal paint into our under eyes to take care of our raccoon look. Air spun original formula. And we're going to use this pizza shroud, or this pizza piece, to rub it in. And this is somehow different than a different brush. Okay, now we got Wet n Wild bronzer. Okay, I know what bronzer is. This is gonna make our skin really bright. And then we're going to use this other brush. Got a lot of brushes. You know, you probably have to have a small fortune in brushes just to apply makeup. And you're going to dab it around your cheeks, your nose, your jawline. Lunar or something. I'm going to guess Lunar Beauty and a matte blush. Botanical Vitamins Infused. Oh, we got vitamins in here. Watch out. And then we're going to make our face a little bronze. Let that bronzer and blend that in. Again, the whole goal of this is to make ourselves not look like we're real. Now, this is NYX. I know what NYX is. It's bare something. That lighting is not great, but that's okay. We're going to pluck our eyebrows again and make them raised. And that's going to help with the opposite sex attraction somehow. And then this is eyeshadow primer. Okay, lighting was hard there. And this is gonna prime us for our crazy eye look. Oh, look, we got Kaleidos palette here. It's the flowery, wow, come on, center it. Flower punk. Look at all that shimmer. This is how you know you made it. Then we're going to use another brush And we're going to take I didn't catch that color, but it's the skin color. And we're gonna set our eyes up here to put about, I don't know, anywhere between 3 and 15 color shades. I'm thinking that's like some sort of brow or eyeliner, like pencil. Nope, it's a brush. Okay, we're gonna do the bottom. We're gonna start stacking these shades. Watch out. First, we're gonna start with like a forest brown. You know, like we're just back in the military. We're getting our eyes ready for war. And then we're gonna take this maroon, which to me still kind of looks like a brown. Okay. I'm gonna just put that everywhere because we're blending. We're gonna make everything look like it's meant to be there. Alright, we got another brush. And we're using the, man, I cannot read those colors in time. Yeah, I mean, we're going to use pretty much the same color again, but just slightly more pink. So we got like a earth or coyote brown forest with a skin color and a pink going on right now. Boy, I don't know how she's going to pull this one off. Oh, she's done. I thought there was going to be way more than that. Oh, there's some more stuff. Okay, yep. So we're doing a eye line here. Now you can use a pencil for this or a brush. I don't know, probably some other tools that do it too, but I've seen it done with a brush and a pencil and a liquid eyeliner too. Paradise Refresh, a face mist, huh? Okay, so this is our setting spray. This is pretty much going to be our finished look, I think. Nope, we got some, yep, we got to have a highlighter. And we got the the Jaclyn Hill brush. Y'all know that one. And we're going to make our face look like it's not real now. Now, we took all that time to make our face look not real, so of course we got to make it highlighted and shine in every form of light that exists, so everybody can see you across the room. Alright, we're doing a little inner eye glimmer here. A little glitter. Again, we got to make sure everybody notices across the room. Now we're going to crimp our our eyelashes. And this is going to make them look more full. Or she's gluing one on. No, she's just making this one look full. Once again, rock out, and it's some sort of lash thing. Okay, yeah, we're gonna curl them up again, making them look full. It's very important to make your eyelashes look full. And this is a lip gloss or a lipstick, something. I can't see the lips while I'm doing this here, so you know, you just have to use your imagination. Here's the upper one. And this is our finished look. Now look how good we look. Thank you, bye-bye.
Thanks so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video for more content with both myself and Wesley. And I hope to see you again on the next one, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye!